What's good, fam? I appreciate all of your guys' patience as I've been gone for about the last day and a half, but I've got to get this wheel spin out for you now because I have 3 Goombles lists to give away and I've got 10 Stag Alliance whitelists to give away. I know everyone's been really excited about all these things, you guys. Look, I was trying really hard to get more of each. In the defense of Goombles, he can only give me 3 because he doesn't want to over allocate, and I totally understand and respect that. As for Stag, I will be covering that project in a full depth interview as well as a full deep dive. So I've got 10 of those to give away now. I'm hoping to be able to get 10 more later at a later date bit before they mint. So I will keep you guys updated on that. So here's how this is going to go. I've got a total of 13 to give away, you guys. Again, wish I had more, but I'm going to give these as a chance for anyone on the wheel spin to win. So it's going to be done just like we would with an NFT. And best of luck to all of you. There's only going to be 13 winners. And keep in mind, guys, we have the main wheel spin video coming out at the end of this month. I got a bunch of NFTs and some cool stuff to give away. But for right now, we're going to increase this from 80 to 81 because we just had a new joiner today. So we have a total of 81 people on the tier 3 paid subscription. Let's go ahead and give this away. We're going to start by giving away the 3 Goombles lists first because there's only 3 of them. They're a little bit harder to get. And, well, I'm just going to go ahead and do this and see who the lucky winners are. So let's start out right now, and best of luck to you all. Number 62, I will be removing that choice, checking to see who you are. That is a lucky win. Smokes a lot. 62. All right. Good for you, bro. That's a really highly touted win. So let's go back over here. No, let's not do that. That's not what we're doing. All right. And the next spin for a second Goombles list. Who's it gonna be? Ooh, we're in the 40s. Number 49, remove the choice. Number 49, Rita. You just got super lucky, Rita. Nice. All right, guys, look, one more Goombles list to give away. Again, something that was very hard to get, but this is going to be a really hype project. Go watch the interview I did, by the way, with Farmer Nash. It was really good. I liked working with him. It was really fun. Number 22. Let's go see. This is one of our more OGs. OG numbers. First, in the first 20. Johnny Tran, bro. 22. So here's what else we're going to do, you guys. By the way, so if any of you win that you've already got one of these, or whether it's a Goombles or a Stag Alliance, I'm going to do a draw at the end of this, and I'm going to create a list of people in order. We're going to draw, I'd say 4 names should probably be enough. If anyone does not have, or already has one of these whitelists and you'd like to give it away, they're going to be in order for those people on a wait list. So we'll see. I don't know if Johnny Tran's already got one of those, but you know what? Or any of those people, would be happy to give them away if they do so. If they already have one, then you are a very kind person. And I'll just go ahead and give a gift of kindness roll to anybody who does give one of those up. Those will come into play in a future date for the main project release. So let's get back to the wheel spin. All right, so we're going to start by giving away the first of 10 Stag Alliance whitelists. I know both of these are very highly touted, and I just wish I could give one to everybody. Ooh, number 18. I know who that is, but just for proof, we're going to go check it out here. Nice job, Nightmare. Got yourself a stag, bro. Good stuff. So that was 1. We've got number 2 of 10 going down right now. Ooh, back into the early ones. Number 9. Some of the early supporters coming up fat in this wheel spin today. Number 9, Eros. Nice job. All right, let's get back to this next one here. Number 3 of 10 to give away. Ooh, that was a big spinny spin. Ooh, we're in the 40s. Number 42. Number 42. Dude, why me? You deserve this, bro. If you do not have one of these already, you deserve this because you've given so much for us to give away here in the wheel spin videos. I'm glad that you just won that, bro. That's really cool. Here comes number 4. That was a big spin too. Back to the 20s. Number 24. Who's number 24? A Mint. Congratulations to you, A Mint. 24. That was a big come up right there. It looks like you're due here pretty soon to make sure your payment's up to date so you can get that whitelist. All right, so let's get to the 5th one. Number 5 of a total of 10. We're back to the early numbers. Number 12. All right, who's number 12? Number 12, Risky Rascal. Nice job, bro. Appreciate your early support. Thank you very, very much. Let's go back to the 6th one. And see what comes up. Ooh, back in the early numbers. Number 5. All the way back down here to number 5. Osiris Green. My boy from Ancient Dragons, of course. Glad you won this, bro. If you already have one, because I never know with founders, sometimes we just get hooked up on things. We'll be having a backlist of people who will be in order to give them away too, but you never know. If you don't have one, then congratulations, bro, because you support me very much and I appreciate you. So this is number 7 of 10. Number 21. We're getting a lot of early ones here. 21. Bowler. I swear, man, you have the best luck on these wheel spins. It's like you always win something, isn't it? All right, so we've got 3 more. Yes, 3 more to give away. Again, I hope I'll have another 10-pack here for you guys for the Stag in a week or two. We'll see. I'll try my best. I promise you, I'll try my best. Number 50. Well, that's a pretty lucky number here because you also made the cutoff for the free. Oh, Yuzi. Oh. Yuzi, I think I remember you saying you really wanted one of these, so I'm stoked that you got one here. I've got 2 to give away left, you guys, just to make sure. Yep. Only 2 more. Number 13. All the way back up here, number 13, Jers. Another old school homie of mine giving me a lot of early support. I appreciate it. Last one to give away, guys. Last one. Who's going to be the lucky person to get it? Okay, well, I know who that is because Bacchus has been here for a long time as well. A lot of early supporters. Bacchus, number 6. Again, you guys, if anyone already has these, please do not give them away to somebody else. We're going to stick with the Tier 3 fam, and we're going to create a list right now of backups in order for those who will be first to collect if anyone should relinquish their spots. I'm going to do 4 just in case, but I highly doubt many of these will be given away. So number 48, you're first on the list if somebody gives one away, and that is Happy Turtle. You're first in line. Let's do a secondary one here. See what comes up. Number 60. I have to get familiar with some of these later names. Number 60. Oh, Lavender Jones. What's up, Lav? You're second on the list, and we'll do 2 more. 2 more. Number 26. Jam. What's up, Jam? Hope you get lucky. Last one on the wait list, just in case. Number 70, one of the newer ones. Who is number 70? Let's go here. When in Rome. All right, well, there's our list. There's our backup list. I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded and get these list of names to the people so you can go into their Discord and claim them. I will give this list of people to the founders, and we'll do it on an individual basis. That's probably the best way to do it. So I'll get these out there to them now as I continue to upload this video. And, well, I'll see you guys soon. And of course, like I said, the main wheel spin video is coming up at the end of this month. Got some really cool stuff to give away. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you soon.